Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about a wonderful new innovation from Griot's Garage, the Boss Hybrid Micro Polisher. For more than 30 years, Griot's Garage has been an industry leader in electric polisher technology. These are laurels we do not rest on and are consistently striving to take the best that exists and make it better. When we began selling our random orbital system in 1992, we offered one tool and a handful of pad and liquid combinations. With the introduction of this tool, we have officially entered the world of cordless and brushless motors and are confident that the innovations incorporated into this tool will revolutionize your polishing processes in the machine polisher industry. A culmination of 5 years of iterative design and patent navigation, the Boss Hybrid Micro Polisher is one of our proudest engineering accomplishments and fills a small hole in our ever-expanding polisher lineup. It's the 7th unique tool that we've designed and developed since 2019, and it's the ultimate combination of all of our previous lessons and the most cutting-edge technology available today. Start with the obvious aspect of the tool being a cordless, 12-volt, 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery-powered machine, and we're off to a good start. Pair that with an incredibly powerful 10-amp brushless motor, and we not only have cut the cord, but done it in a way that does not sacrifice performance or runtime, but also increases efficiency, lowers operating temperatures and noise, while reducing long-term maintenance concerns. On top of that, we offer an optional hybrid power inverter which can step in if you ever exhaust the battery and give you plug-in power in a pinch. That inverter utilizes the same quick disconnect cord technology featured on all of our other 6 electric polishers. Are we adding more options? Sure, but we're keeping it simple through deliberate planning and exhausting thought. On top of its leading-edge powertrain comes a unique pivoting head. This head can be adjusted to 4 different positions, allowing you to maintain comfortable grip and positioning while allowing this precision instrument to access some of the most difficult to polish spaces you can imagine. The flexibility of the head positioning is coupled with a fast change drive system which allows you to quickly shift from a 13mm random orbital pattern to a direct drive rotary motion within a matter of seconds. This versatility allows for different approach tactics as your area to polish becomes smaller and smaller. Both rotary and orbital drive patterns are adaptable to a 2-inch and 1-inch backing plate, while the orbital pattern can also accommodate a 3-inch backing plate. All plate sizes are included in the base tool and can be bought separately for easy replacement and even quicker drive pattern swaps. We also feature a rotary extension drive that is 3.5 inches long and can be utilized for even harder to reach areas, and this is also sold separately. Ergonomics weren't overlooked in this design either. Above and beyond the multi-position head that increases user comfort, we have incorporated generous amounts of double-shot rubber and created a sleek, infinitely grippable tool that eliminates 30 years of ergonomic frustrations in an epically designed body. On top of grip points and comfort, the machine is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just over 2.5 pounds and has minimal vibration compared to other comparable tools. The brushless motor keeps operating temperatures incredibly low, is super quiet, and prolongs the 12-volt battery's runtime substantially. A fully charged battery is capable of 45 minutes of runtime. That is variable based upon backing plate and drive configuration, along with user-applied downward pressure. The base tool comes with one 12 to 20-volt smart charger and one 12-volt battery. Additional batteries are available for separate purchase. One other aspect that we're particularly proud of is the digital control center on the top of the tool, which logs overall tool usage in hours, a resettable job timer, and an instant OPM/RPM speed readout for easy user reference. As always, our fine tools are backed up by a lifetime guarantee against manufacturer's defect, so if all those other features don't convince you that this is a tool you need, that probably will. We are incredibly proud of this innovative tool and know that it deserves a place in your polishing arsenal. This represents our first cordless tool with a brushless motor, and man, it's pretty great. You can trust that we're not done, and the next best innovation in machine polishing will come from us here at Griot's Garage. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.